god. It's showtime. What is up, show gang? Oh my gosh, I know y'all see this bonnet. Anyway, as you can see, I'm out of breath, first of all. Think about today's the day. Today's the day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day. Birthday vlog. Oh my god, give me a minute. So, as you can see, hold on, let me show y'all the fit. Hold on, look, bro. Right now, I'm not looking to. No, it's not giving. It's never giving. Now, I would wear my white shoes, but the slides, you know, I got my little slides on, you know, you feel me? So, we gonna have to come back when I'm looking a little, you know, decent. Hold on, bro. Woo! You see that? You see that? Oh no! Oh no! Hold on, let me give y'all a whole bunch. No! Oh no! Alright, y'all, I'm about to go let y'all see y'all, cause I don't know why I'm so pressed. My birthday was yesterday, but you know, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, we'll see you downstairs. Yeah. Upstairs. Oh, that's my cousin up there. This man, whose man is this? Oh, look at this child. Say hi, child. This man's too big. She over to where are we going? Ding ding. Yes. Ding 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 ding. It's my birthday, and I don't celebrate it. Yo. And then there's a lot of people talking right now, so yeah. But I did get a new game. Yeah. That's a lot of noise. Ooh, we outside. We outside. We outside. We outside. Hey, we outside. I'm so pressed about this little chain. Oh yeah. We outside with it. Yo, let me show y'all the grill. Look. Smoking. All the carbon dioxide in the smoke. Joking! Bro, this fool. Anyways, y'all, it's birthday time, and guess what? We just had to do some birthday pranks.
Okay, we're not in the crib.
Yeah, guys, we're doing some McDonald's prank calls with my phone, and we're gonna see where it leads us.
Why are you so loud, son?
Alright, find the see that.
Alright. You guys are gonna cut this out?
Yeah, I'm cutting all of this out. So with the little stupid stuff. No, I'm not showing y'all the actual
negative 100 star.
No. No, that's it. We're calling Wendy's.
No. Why? Also, support for the cameraman, please.
Yo, what the freak? What the heck? The heck?
What just happened?
I have no clue.
Hello, Wendy's mama.
Hello?
Hello.
I got a burger from here earlier and it had a bug in it.
A bug in it?
Yeah, it had a whole bug.
What time was that?
It was at 10:40. Yeah.
No, everybody loves Chick-fil-A. No.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we're gonna prank them.
Okay, no.
Pick up the damn phone. Like, what the heck?
I want to play some
Damn,
Minecraft.
curse. Dang.
I want to play some Minecraft.
Meanwhile, ain't nobody even pick up the toy shit talking about shit for me.
Dude, I think you're gonna have to get Alfred because you're just walking up.
No, y'all see my face. All right, y'all. We're gonna do one more place because this is annoying. This sucks.
Just mute it every time somebody talks or laughs or something. Simply.
I got shit.
No,
Alright, one more, cause Omar hasn't done one, so we're gonna do one more prank call. I know y'all said that one was the last one, but like we gotta do something.
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to do one.
How fast?
Wait,
I'll be like, hello, is this the firehouse?
And then after and then after Kiva and then Kaon.
We're gonna be switching cameramans.
Cameramans. I'm
Cameramans.
where are we?
And you're switching.
Clinton. You're a horrible cameraman.
Don't give out the information to YouTube. Dang, Kiva, where are we? Just look. Don't say anything.
Chuck E. Cheese.
We're in Chuck E. Cheese, guys.
Yeah, we're at Chuck E. Cheese.
We're here. Okay.
Man, why you got the closest one?
Because why not?
My Chuck E. Cheese is like 15 minutes away. Okay, now shut up. Now shut up. Now shut up. Now shut up. Caleb does not work at Chuck E. Cheese. He works at Arby's.
No.
Arby's. We have the meat.
No,
There was some ear rape in this part. It was literally straight dead silence. So yeah.
I go.
Let's try again.
Oh no, we might have just got hacked. Next. Can me and Karen do it again?
No.
Yes. It's gonna be funny. Everybody. If they freaking answer.
How may I help you?
Hey, I had a bad order today, so I want a refund.
Excuse me?
Yeah, today I had a new order.
These idiots didn't even put themselves on mute. They literally sat there like, oh, I had a bad order. Alright, keep us gonna do one.
Yeah, Kiva's turn, guys.
Me and Killa.
Omar's just dead right now.
Over here just dead.
Okay, act bushy. Act bushy.
Oh my gosh. If they answer.
Kiva, act like this. Okay.
Shut up.
Hello. Hello. You did something to my food.
Good thing you
We're done. We're done. I'm not trying to get arrested on my birthday, so no.
was at the door.
Yeah, out here. Whoa. That's a big fire. I know, right? Whoa.
This child right here has been hounding me about being in this YouTube channel for the past forever. Not you. This is Victory, people. Say hi.
Say
Victory. Say hi back, Victory.
What about Batman? Oh, here it is.
Ridiculousness.
Your bread broke? Oh my god, since when it broke? Oh my god, when are you ever gonna speak English, bro? Never. Man, you still speak it. No, you still speak baby language, bro. I don't know what's wrong with you. She still speaks gibberish until this day, bro.
Who does?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Do I?
I didn't even see or hear you come in, bro. Hold up, let me move back.
Alright,
Get in the shot.
move these. You know I started the camera, right?
Yeah, I know. Scoot over, scoot over. Everyone scoot over. Hold
Wait,
up.
we're still gonna trim it.
Scoot over this way.
Make it show.
Okay. More people are coming.
Get that in.
More people are coming. Yeah.
Okay, gonna.
Oh, can we all move all that stuff back so people can sit down somewhere? Like, dang.
You guys want
Get a
She's
camera.
gonna have better quality.
Then we'll have more people. But right now, we're doing a mukbang. Someone talk about something.
You! Brad, do that story time. Do that story time.
Oh yeah.
Of that trampoline thing.
I never told y'all this, but I used to have a trampoline.
Yeah. You used to have
And
You just said that.
right. We always used to jump in it. All of us used to jump in it. But it got a hole in it, so we threw it away. But anyway.
Let me tell you. No, wait. Let me tell you about. Let me break my bread a little bit. Wait, let me tell you about hair.
Hair.
Prince? Mom? You two gotta feel me on this. You two, I know that you two don't comb your hair monthly hair is real. Anyways, when you're combing your hair, even if you have hair like us or me,
Oh.
it's hard to comb it.
Completely off topic, but
Alright, so
as a I was saying, brush your hair, boys. Anyway, I was saying, I used to have a trampoline. You feel me? And whose ankle almost broke?
Mine.
Oh, Victory. Who was sitting here?
Brandon.
Literally,
Okay, I'm done.
we're doing
What happened?
This man is really mad because he didn't get cheese. Look at me.
I was the same one who said, come on, get your cheese before you wash your hand.
Oh, hi.
Sit down.
Video? This has only been one video.
this is the first video ever.
I know y'all see this man's Pierrot looking constipated over here.
Literally, said
I was saying, Ken almost broke his ankle on the trampoline. Yeah, and
Wait a minute, this is a trampoline?
we had a trampoline, remember?
Remember? Oh, yeah.
So,
But you missed out on all the stuff.
so then,
She was there. I was on the trampoline. Oh.
you act like she missed out on the whole year I
That
had
was like in
trampoline.
2013, 14, 15, around that.
So then, Ken, he was jumping, right?
And then I jumped to the side, and I jumped too high. My feet got stuck, and I like.
I almost jumped out of the trampoline. Out of
I
that
remember
trampoline.
you told me that.
So I was jumping like
I was
regularly.
like 12 done, and I was like.
And when we were on that trampoline, when one person jumps, the other person jumps higher.
Oh,
Like,
yeah, I remember the lightest one.
like
bro.
when we're imagine Victory jumps, right? And then when Victory jumps, then Kiva tries to jump. Kiva goes higher. So when all of them jumped, I like jumped like higher, and I almost fell out, bro. Like twice. This happened to me like twice. Because are you gonna eat? Or are you gonna sit there?
I'm gonna sit there.
And then
You, her.
Oh, I'm tapping my feet. I'm eating. Yeah, and now you got boogers. This motherfucker brings them in here.
Man, y'all is the most.
Dude, get out.
Dude,
Get out
you
here.
don't get your
Dude,
money.
get out.
Oh my
Can you,
God,
like,
my
move
diggity
your-
dog.
Can you like move from
You got me talking, you look like that owl from Daniel Tiger.
You ain't tell me that you're gonna cut this out.
No, you look like Miss,
Do you know the Goofy Goober?
you
is
can you
actually
like
a
move your
peanut?
smelly
Guys,
and cheesy
Family's gonna edit that out.
Hamburger with a hot dog. Do you want some? No. No.
Everybody is.
Unless you subscribe. I'm still not gonna give it to you. Even if you do subscribe, bro. Hey, you watch Funny Right too? I want to copyright.
And next time you
You
watch
watch
the
Funny
right
Right
channel,
Hey, gang. Yeah. All these cursing.
You're smelly, sexy.
I got
Yeah. Man, you finished
Wait,
already?
wait,
What you done with this?
Guys, I
Let
got.
me finish this story before these idiots interrupt me again.
Wait.
Okay, where you? Listen to bro. Whenever
Long story short,
Wait.
I almost fell out of the trip.
Wait.
Y'all know how dark is it outside here? It be dark. It's darker than a. Sorry, no. Oh dang, that's tough. Hold on, I can't show you on my house.
Are you making a YouTube video again? I'm so dark.
Black things.
blend in with the sky right now.
Black things. Was
See,
it
if a
still?
white person came up here, they would be so light. Like, you could even see their teeth. Like, all you can see right now is just our teeth.
Bro. Hold on. That's much better. Dang. Get in the light. Black things, yo.
No, like the light. But like, y'all subscribe to this channel. Like, y'all don't show no love. Like, y'all just come up on here, watch the video, then leave. What kind of? That's just stupid.
I don't listen to her, bro. If you new, subscribe, bro. Hang out.
stand in a circle, Brian.
I know y'all
Hot
see
potato,
Cam.
hot potato 1, potato 2, hot potato 3, hot potato 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to family. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Hey, God bless you. May God bless you.
picture. Sorry.
Cake. Cake is too much.
Can I see the video?
Cake.
I finished my cake.
Y'all probably like, y'all still ate the cake even though it got sneezed on. We just cut out the part that was sneezed on. And we moved on. Yeah. And...
Hey, we're back on another prank. I want to do a prank.
Y'all, this prank is probably the most stupidest prank I will ever do on my channel.
Hey, y'all, we finna do a prank called ignoring. So we're going ignoring my cousin. Sometimes like people do like ignore my boyfriend or my girlfriend. We're gonna do a particular cousin that like she's just over the top, like she's gonna cry and she gonna tell her mom. So we finna cut it there. So let's get to this prank.
I'm not joking. Like, stop being nasty.
You're nasty, y'all.
Okay, give us calm down.
Y'all really thought these people were freaking what's it called? PG friendly? Psycho-like?
Anyways, who wants to go
Who
next?
lied? Who?
Who wants to go next?
I do.
No.
Let me
Go ahead.
Right?
I'm gonna watch you cheat.
No!
No!
Yo.
Bro, shut up. Let him ask the question.
Tell me why Kayo said deuces. I'm done.
I got one.
No. I'm sorry, bro.
Would you rather?
Brandon, we're not being mean to you, but like, just shut it, okay? Anyways.
You're gonna have to turn. I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, so who wants to go next? Brendan, you can go. Who wants to go next?
Brian said he wanted to go next.
Okay, Brian.
Don't say would you rather, just answer the question. Then we
Brian, would you rather be able to talk to land animals?
Sophia, the first?
Would you rather be able to talk to land animals
Shut up.
or talk to animals that live under the water?
Are you kidding me?
Next, okay, I would rather talk to land animals because like under the water, like who would take the time and be like, oh, the time we have to go underwater.
Show you the world.
I don't want to see SpongeBob that much.
Anyways, who's next? Answer the question.
You see
Can you just cut that part?
I'm about to do a lot.
Cut everything. Right, we do the whole video.
Baby intermission! Yay! No, don't take my phone. No. Baby intermission. Bye. Okay, I'll see you in the next clip.
Okay. Would you rather be able to? Would you rather every shirt you wear is kind of itchy, or only be able to use one pile of toilet paper?
Who wants to go next?
I just had a question.
I know, like you just say the question, but we have to see who wants to go next.
Would you?
Friend, you can go. Friend, go ahead. Hurry up. Answer the question. Go ahead.
What was the question?
Would you rather every shirt you wore be kind of itchy, or only use one pile of toilet papers? Would you rather every shirt you wore be kind of itchy, or only be able to use one toilet paper roll?
One toilet paper roll?
I can't hear anything because these people are trying to get me copyrighted.
Exactly! Like, y'all really trying to get copyrighted here.
Oh, okay.
I'm not trying to get copyrighted.
Okay, then ask the question. Let me ask the question. Let me do.
I want to answer the question.
Me too.
Okay, alright, let's go. Would you rather? Alright, this question goes to Would you rather your
We're done. We're done.
It's a prank.
We're
dang.
done. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. Yo. I can't do this. This was a prank. Guys.
We're starting over.
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
That's the whole video. We weren't actually doing Would You Rather. Good. It's a prank, y'all. Look at her. She's so mad. Aww.
We're done with this video.
crying.
Yo, bro. Yo, I'm done. I'm done.
Bro, like,
Yo, no. We're done.
y'all, she really got mad. Look
We're
at her.
done. We're done.
Understand how salty.
Prank wars, they go something to
The
somebody.
salty level.
Hey, prank wars. What the?
How's Sarah?
It's a prank. You know I'm being.
Y'all. That was my birthday vlog, I guess. vlog. You had a little bit of story time, mukbang, vlog, and a prank at the end. So, hope y'all enjoyed, bro. Leave a like. Hey, Mo, bro. Next year, y'all not gonna be seeing me in the house. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later.
So you're gonna retire?
Yeah, I don't think y'all understand how salty Kiva was. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. Peace.
She think I'm joking.
Let's go! Yo, big body.